Hey guys, what's going on? MC from What's Your Emergency and the MotorCop Mindset. I'm very excited today because I am holding in my hot little hand a brand new sponsor of What's Your Emergency, and that is TacVent. What is TacVent, you ask? That's a good question. It's inside this, so we're going to do a quick little unboxing video. Should we just start now? Should I just cut to it? Let's do that. Here we go. Well, you know, I really should. I'm going to tease you a little bit. What I want to tell you about TacVent is I've got a buddy who is a motor officer in Washington. You know, the state that isn't probably 94 degrees right this very moment. And I see him posting on his Facebook about this TacVent thing and how much cooler, not aesthetically, but literally temperature-wise, makes him cooler. So I hopped over to TacVent and I sent an email to Jeff, the proprietor, creator, provocateur, if you will. I don't even know if that's an applicable phrase or not, but I said, hey man, I got a buddy in Washington, loves your product, I'm very interested in it. We had some conversations. Long story short, you don't need to concern yourself with it. I'm holding a TacVent product right now. I hate summer. I hate summer. The big ball of fire in the sky, not a fan. Jeff and my buddy in Washington, Chris, assure me TacVent is going to reinvigorate me for summertime. What is TacVent, you ask? It is a product that goes in between your Kevlar vest and your chest. It, on average, cools you by 14.5 degrees body surface temperature. It's not going to lower your core temperature. You don't have to worry about hypothermia. It's not that kind of product, but it's going to make you more comfortable in the summertime. I have yammered on long enough. Let's cut to it. I am opening the priority mail, I will have you know. This is a priority. And here we're pulling it out. Dun, 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 dun. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, and it's got stuff inside. So let me, good, that's attached. Let me take this aside. So this is TacVent, and you will notice I have not attached one of these before. These are Velcro strips. This is, pull this off, and that will attach to the inside of your vest, and then you attach this. So ultimately it will look like this just on a vest. And you'll notice these channels, that's when you've got the open portion of your uniform shirt. This will allow your vest to breathe, really. The wind will be channeled through here, which cools you off. Now, I've not demoed it yet. Obviously, I just opened the box. It is not on my vest. The next video I'm going to put out is going to be me attaching it. Actually, I may edit that into this particular video, and then I'm going to wear it for a week or two, and you're going to see what I'm anticipating being a very happy MotorCop face, because I'm not going to have to wring out my shirt at the end of every day. I might still have to do that, but I'll be more comfortable during my shift. You know, motor officers have a rule, 10 by 10 when it's summertime. That means 10 tickets by 10 a.m. because after 10 o'clock, it gets stupid hot. Not just hot, but stupid hot. So this is going to help cool me off. I'm going to add to the video here. You will see how it attaches, and believe it or not, I've actually convinced is what I meant, Jeff to come on the new podcast, What's Your Emergency? I'm gonna have him come on, tell you about the product. He's gonna tell you the story of, I believe it was an active shooter at LAX that he responded to that was the inspiration for this product. I'm gonna wear it for a while. I'm gonna come back, shoot another video to let you know how it's going. But I will also say, sight unseen, well, it's not true because I've seen it. It's not attached to the video. My camera operator is just unbelievable right now. But I'm going to tell you, I've got big hopes for it, based solely off my buddy in Washington and talking to Jeff. I'm looking forward to what this is going to do. If you want to jump the gun and go to TacVent right now and order your own, use the coupon code MC10, that's MC10. You get 10% off. Yes, full transparency is the word I'm looking for. I am an affiliate for them, so I will get a little bit of a something, but at no extra cost to you. You can get this for 10% off. Maybe you want to wait until my next video when I tell you how badass it is. That's what I am anticipating it being. So until then, stay cool. This is MC signing off from my backyard, MCPD. Thanks to TacVent, thanks to Jeff, and look for him soon on What's Your Emergency. You can find us at wyeradio.com. Cheers. Are you ready? Are you ready? Can I do this now? Hey guys, what's going on?
Nope. Hey, you said this was going to take less than 5 minutes. Come on, man.
Are you done?
No.
Are you going to be quiet?
Maybe.